Hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna discuss a very common issue faced in winter by almost everyone who ever drives. So as you can see, my windscreen is already too much foggy and it is very difficult to see through it. Only this part in the middle is visible, but all around there is too much fog. So this happens because when there is a temperature difference between the air outside and the air inside your car. So if the air inside your car is hotter, the vapors starting to deposit on your windscreens and they will create this fog. I've seen many videos on YouTube in which people are advising you to use toothpaste, shaving cream, onions, and so on, but they are not useful. So if you look at your car, you will realize, especially in today's car, all the car comes with this handy feature of defogging. As you can see, there is a front defogger and there is a rear defogger as well. So with the help of these buttons you can remove all this fog, and I will show you in this video how. So if I press this button, and you will see the AC will be turned on automatically and the fog on the windscreen starting to disappear. As you can see, it's already disappearing, and you will see within a few seconds your windscreen will be all clear. I have seen many people removing fog with the help of their hands. As you can see, I have removed a bit fog from here, but I will not recommend you to do this because this will leave smudges on your screen, and you will see even though after the removal of this fog, these smudges will stay there and they will blur your vision. So please don't do this. Just wait and see, all the fog will be gone in few seconds. And if you look at the dashboard, you will find a fan grills which throw air on your front windscreen, and there is a smaller one on the sides as well, and they throw air on your side windscreens. So now you can see it's almost clear, though it's foggy outside, but your vision is clear. Both sides there is no fog. So if you are going on a highway and you don't want to use AC for a long run, you can turn it off and you can turn off the recycle button, so the outside air will come in your car, and when the outer air will come inside your car, there will be no temperature difference, so you can use in long run. So I'm turning it off. So as you have seen in this video that I have removed all the fog with the help of just one click. So that's it for today, and if you're watching this video for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications about the new videos. And please like this video, share with your friends, and do comment if you have any question regarding this video.